Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel again. So I thought I'd do another video. I'm debating about doing the third one, but I haven't really decided yet just because it's going to be a really big unboxing. I already know what's in there, but I really just want to show you all what I got in my kit, and not only that, in the box that I had ordered as well for myself. But this one is my single swag unboxing, so I'm really excited to get this. It looks like there's a lot of stuff that's in there that's really good. Here is my card. Single swag is $39.99 a month, so if anyone is interested in getting their own box, here you can get this, or whatever month that you decide to get it. You don't have to be single to have it, because obviously, I am married, so I get it, and it's like a lot of nice stuff in there. You get jewelry, snacks, book, maybe, like lifestyle stuff, I don't know, but I will open it up and show you guys what I got. So the first thing is a headband. That's cute. This is what it looks like. Probably would not look good with my hair up like this, but you know, it's okay. The headband is Got Me Twisted denim top knot headband. It is $34. It's by Blue Revival. It's really cute. I like it. The material's nice and soft, and also like where, you know how like right at the ends they tend to like poke at you right behind your ears, so they got them covered. That's really nice. This is interesting. Hannah Sienna. Pour bath salts into warm running water. Stir the water with your hands until the grains have dissolved. And relax and enjoy. Oh, that's cool. So I got bath salts, silky papaya infused bath salts. They are worth $20. Ooh. And it's like a light smell too. I'll have to find a way to be able to like plug up the tub and see if I can try this. That'd be interesting. Sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, papaya oil, yellow number 5. Just don't eat it. That's not good. But that is $20. It says that it transforms your regular bath into a therapeutic oasis with these natural calming bath salts infused with real papaya oil designed to smooth, detoxify, and moisturize your skin. That's nice. Indigo Authority. Oh, that's cute. Ooh. So I got a necklace earring set. That's really cute. That's worth $72. Wonder how long the necklace is. I don't know. Maybe like a mid-length set. I don't know. But it looks cute. I'm excited to try it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a really cute piece. I'll definitely find a way to wear this. I'm excited. Yeah, this set is actually worth $72. So it pretty much is a little over my the book, or not the book, like where the box is like $39. I'm literally just, that pays for it. Pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. I'm not a big fan of sleeping masks, but it's a small little tube. Maybe, I don't know, I just I don't know. Where is this at? Dr. Botanicals. It's pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. It's worth $13. Oh my. So I don't know about that. I'm not like, I don't use a lot of sleeping masks. I think I only have like a few, and I really just, I don't use it. Maybe I should. Maybe I feel like I might be missing something out on that. Maybe it actually will help. So this is Suzanne Cosmetics Rose Gold Liquid Highlighter. So it's really cute packaging. And this is what it looks like. It's worth $22. I hope it doesn't squirt out a lot. Oh my. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, here it is. Ooh, it definitely, it smells good. You can definitely tell the pink streak. And a little goes a long way. Yeah. It has a nice little shimmer, like a pink rose gold shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah. But it's worth $22. I'll definitely find a way to use this as well. That's really cute. Alright. Of course. Oh, okay. So this is a cleanser. I'm assuming for your face, I hope. Let's see. Feel free. Okay, so feel free herb infusion mild cleansing foam. So it looks like a cleanser for your face, I hope. This oxygenating cleanser with ginger extract has a creamy and soapy texture designed to remove the most. Yeah, it's for your face. I have so many of these so many cleansers, it's insane. But it's kind of nice to be able to use different cleansers just because you learn, like, they have certain things in each thing. I don't know. Alright. Ooh, this looks good. Mr. Cake Cinnamon Crumb Cakes. There's 2 of them in here. This looks good. I'm excited to try that. So this is worth $3. Tyler was just asking about dinner right before I started recording this, and I'm like, we're gonna be eating, what is it? Pizza bagels. No. Definitely no. Indulge in these cinnamon flavored cakes. The cinnamon sounds really good. Eat out of the packaging or follow the heating instructions. What are the ingredients though? I really taste the cinnamon. Wheat, eggs, milk may contain traces of coconut, soy. So that's probably what I taste. I'm not a big fan of that. Sorry about that. Did not mean to spit that out right in front of you guys. Alright, so my last thing is a book, The Gratitude Diaries. This is how a year looking on the bright side can transform your life by Janice Kaplan. So, got a book. I think they send out books like every couple of months or so that's kind of nice. Because my first month I got a book, and then, which is the Eat, Pray, Love book, kind of. I don't know. Let's see, where's the book? This book is pricing at $18. But it looks pretty good. I'm excited to read it. That's good. It seems interesting. I've never heard of it, so I'm excited to try, or like to be able to read it. There's 4 parts of the book. Here is the contents, 4 parts, and then like acknowledgments, epilogue, reading group guide, a conversation with the author, the 7-day gratitude challenge. So I'm excited to start reading this. I mean, obviously I'm reading some books right now, but I'm really excited to dig into that. The retail value of this box is $202. So that's kind of nice that I pay $39.99 a month, and that's the main value, almost what I get out of each box each month. So it's kind of nice to have that. This is my May 2020 single swag box. So letting you guys know if anyone is interested in getting this, a single swag. I think I might have like a code on here. Yeah, I got refer codes for a friend. If anyone is interested in trying it out, by all means, let me know. I'll put my code on there. And I will see you today or possibly tomorrow. Who knows? I might do a video and where my makeup is already done with my pharmacy products, or I might just do a video and show you the products. But if I do a full makeup face, I'll probably either way I'm still going to show you guys my stuff. So I will either see you guys today or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure that you guys also like and subscribe on my channel. I really do appreciate it. I'll be starting a new giveaway soon. It did ship out. I just have to wait to get it. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.